is a frustrating black screen interrupting your YouTube TV binge. Don't worry, we're here to get you back to your favorite shows in under 90 seconds. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: your internet connection. Perform a speed test on a phone or laptop connected to the same network. If your speeds are significantly below what you pay for or fluctuating wildly, contact your internet provider. Consider restarting your router and modem. Unplug them for 30 seconds, plug them back in, and wait for them to fully power on. Next, ensure your YouTube TV app is up to date. Head to the Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for iOS and Apple TV devices. Search for YouTube TV, and if an update is available, tap Update. Outdated apps can often cause compatibility issues and black screens. Now, let's check your device's software. Whether you are using a smart TV, Roku, Chromecast, or any other streaming device, navigate to your device's settings menu and look for a system update or software update option. Install any available updates, as these often include bug fixes that can resolve black screen problems. If updating doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache and data in your device's settings menu. Find the application section, then YouTube TV. From here, locate the options to clear cache and clear data. Please note that clearing data will require you to sign back into your YouTube TV account. Finally, ensure that your device is officially supported by YouTube TV. The official YouTube TV website has a list of compatible devices. If your device is not on the list, you may experience compatibility issues. As a last resort, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube TV app. Hopefully, you're back up and running. Let us know in the comments below which of these fixes worked for you.